AI creative tools are evolving fast, and in 2026, creators are no longer asking if they should use AI, but which tool actually fits their workflow. Two platforms that stand out right now are Higgsfield and Runway. Both are powerful, both use advanced generative AI, but they solve very different creative problems. So which one do you really need in 2026? Let's start with Higgsfield. Higgsfield is primarily focused on visual creation and creative ideation. It's designed for generating high-quality images, concept art, stylized visuals, and design assets. What makes Higgsfield different is the level of creative control it offers. Instead of generating random images, it allows users to guide style, mood, and consistency, making it ideal for branding, illustration, and early-stage creative exploration. Higgsfield works especially well for designers, artists, and creative directors who need to test ideas quickly. You can iterate on concepts, explore visual themes, and build mood boards in a short amount of time. The interface is clean and focused, which helps you stay creative without getting lost in technical settings. The main limitation of Higgsfield is scope. It's excellent for still visuals, but it doesn't try to be a full production tool. If your work involves video editing, animation, or complex multimedia projects, Higgsfield will usually need to be paired with other software. Now let's look at Runway. Runway takes a much broader approach. It's built as a full AI creative suite, combining image generation with AI-powered video editing, motion effects, background removal, and text-to-video features. Runway is designed for creators who don't just want ideas, but finished content. One of Runway's biggest strengths is how it handles video. You can edit footage, apply AI effects, generate clips, and refine projects all in one place. This makes it especially popular with filmmakers, YouTubers, advertisers, and social media creators who need to move fast. The downside is complexity. Because Runway offers so many tools, it can feel overwhelming at first. Beginners may need time to learn the interface and understand how to get the most out of it. So, which one should you choose in 2026? If your main goal is visual ideation, design, and creative exploration, Higgsfield is the better choice. It's focused, fast, and optimized for still imagery and concept work. If your goal is video production, motion content, and complete creative workflows, Runway is the stronger option. It gives you more flexibility and allows you to produce final, publish-ready content. The bottom line is simple. Higgsfield helps you imagine ideas, while Runway helps you produce content. Neither tool is better in every situation. The right choice depends on how you create. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you're using in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.